Hey guys, what's going on? I have a Rubik's Cube and I made a T. Just scribbled it around. Well, you could use this for all kinds of stuff like pranks and stuff, like tricking people. This involves a lot of memorizing, so be careful. So, say I was closing my eyes, move one right here, another right here. See? Now, move it back. There, T. So, I don't recommend you to do like scribbling around. I want you to like line it up. But I was trying to fix like one side and make it all colored and stuff, but I made T. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hold on. Who is it? Go away. Ugh. Alright, so you're going to close your eyes, move one here, one right there, and then it shows like something like that. And then I'm going to move one right here, another right here, and voila, have it. Pretty simple. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.